Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azza Anares Auto. Today we'll be working on a 2012 Toyota Camry. A 2012 Toyota Camry. The customer have a key that will normally start the vehicle, and this is an aftermarket remote. It's no longer working, so he wanted me to change it. So I got a new aftermarket set of remotes. They have not been programmed. As you can see, this particular one starts the car. Actually, it has a security. Security is preventing the car from starting. As you can see, the security light is off. So it's blinking now. I want to put it. So it's just that the security was preventing it from starting. So what I'm simply going to do, I'm going to replace the old aftermarket system, and I'll put this. Then I'll actually program a chip, cut this key so that I can start the car. So we'll now have a complete working key that can start the car, and at the same time can lock and open. So over here I've worked, this is the old unit, so I'm going to fix this new unit. So when I'm done, we'll test and see. Now I've fixed the new receiver for the aftermarket remote, and this is the key. You can actually lock. This is unlock. Lock. So what is left now is for us to cut this key and program the chip. So stay tuned.